Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Ranger rear door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a non-marring trim removal kit, a 15mm socket, and T50 and T25 Torx bits. Safety is key, so disconnect your vehicle's battery or simply flip the door latch to turn off the interior light. Next, carefully inspect the door panel for any visible screws, often found near the door handle or armrest, and remove them. Now, let's tackle the seatbelt and controls. Begin by gently prying off the upper seatbelt cover to reveal a 15mm bolt, which you'll need to remove. Next, locate the lower seatbelt anchor and use a T50 Torx socket to remove its bolt. If your Ranger has power windows, carefully pry up the switch panel and disconnect the electrical connectors. For manual windows, pry off the crank cover, remove the T20 Torx screw, and then pull the crank straight off. With the fasteners and controls addressed, it's time to unclip the main door panel. Using your non-marring pry tool, carefully work your way around the edges of the door panel. You'll encounter approximately 10 to 12 plastic clips holding it in place. Apply steady, outward pressure to pop each clip free. Once all clips are released, gently lift the entire door panel up and away from the door frame, being cautious of any remaining wires or cables. For complete removal, disconnect any remaining wiring for speakers or door latches. If any plastic clips remained in the door frame, carefully remove them and reattach them to the door panel for easier reinstallation. To reassemble, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all clips align and snap securely into place. When reinstalling the seatbelt bolts, torque them to 30 foot-pounds to ensure proper safety and function. You've successfully removed and reinstalled your Ford Ranger rear door panel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.